Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best VIOFO Car Mini DVR in this video? I will show you the top 3 best VIOFO Car Mini DVR to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected VIOFO T130. Specifications. Brand name, VIOFO. Frames per second, 30. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Assembly mode, hidden type. View angle, 150 degrees minus 160 degrees. Number of lenses, 3. Screen ratio, 4:3. Interface, AV out, micro SD/TF. Video code, H.264. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Battery, built-in. Pixels, 500 mega. Max external memory, 256 GB. GPS module, built-in. The item number 2 is VIOFO A139. Specifications. Brand name, VIOFO. Frames per second, 30. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Assembly mode, hidden type. View angle, 150 degrees minus 160 degrees. Screen ratio, 4:3. Video code, H.264. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video format, MP4. Battery, built-in. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX291. Pixels, 500 mega. Max external memory, 256 GB. On the top of our list at number 1 we have VIOFO A229. Specifications. Brand name, VIOFO. Frames per second, 60. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. View angle, 150 degrees minus 160 degrees. Number of lenses, 2. Screen ratio, 16:9. Interface, micro SD/TF. Video code, H.264. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1600. GPS logger, internal. Display size, 2.45 inches. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display, LCD. Max external memory, 256 GB.